Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video I just want to show you a old pool light that I want to change out. This is a white output, kind of looks yellowish, and then I want to upgrade it to this one right here. It's a blue LED light that you can use for a pool. It's a E26 base, and it's 15 watts, but I believe it puts out like a 100 watt equivalent output. This hasn't been changed out in I don't know how long, probably been over 10 to 15 years or longer. So this is the bulb right here, the original one. And let's see, what does it say on there? It's kind of hard to see, it's really old. Turn it this way. I think that says like 500 watts. Stick it in here like so. Get nice and snug. So yeah, if you would like more information on this LED pool light bulb, you can check out the link down in the description below. But I came with a set of 2. Alright, so I turned the power back on and this is how it looks. It's blue. You can see it's daytime and it creates a really nice output. So I'm going to close everything up and I'll show you what it looks like at nighttime. So just lay that on there just like that. Wrap your ring around these little links right here. So you want all these arms to be sticking out and for the ring to go all the way around it, so that once you secure this down and screw it down tight, then it basically creates a nice seal. It's going to push together. Alright, so I'm just going to use an adjustable wrench to keep that bolt in place so it doesn't just keep spinning around. And I'm just going to go ahead and tighten it down. That's it. That's where it was at last time. It's supposed to float. It's supposed to, because it has air in there. It's supposed to be airtight. So that's what it looks like. Screw it back down inside the opening there. Alright, I'm going to attempt to film this, but there was like a little tab that went down into the bottom part of the hub, part of like the concrete framing, and there's only one screw holding mine at the top. So you can see here it needs to be screwed in some more. It's got a little play in there, but let me screw this in. There. Nice. Okay, it's done. All right, so I turn the lights on and this is what we have. It's nice and blue now. And I'll show you the light right over here that I just installed earlier this afternoon. So this pool is about 12 feet wide by 30 feet long, and this is how the pool light looks. So really happy with this upgrade. It's super bright and it's only 15 watts of usage versus what I had before, which was 500 watts, and it has this nice blue hue to it. But on camera it does look purple, but it is blue in person, promise you. But if you want to check out that awesome bulb that I installed today, just check out the link down in the description below this video. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.